North Carolina A&T. 3 times he's gone sub-10, including this year already. So he's fit and shown that he's quick.
This is Akeem Blake. I was waiting to hear the audience because of the crowd, because there's so many Jamaicans here. He ran really, really well. He's already gone under 10 seconds this year.
I should pause for Oblique Seville then, too.
I'm telling you, it's like a home crowd.
Hey, and what's crazy, we're going to go to Philly, and it'll be like that there in Philadelphia, too, right?
Absolutely.
Jamaicans are mad for track up in Philly. There's Kenny.
He's a slam winner already. Dominant in the 200 and really has been sharpening his skills here in the 100.
Yeah, a couple of Olympic silver medals. Zharnel Hughes, bronze at the World Championships in Budapest. Got a handful of global relay medals as well for Team GB.
And added to this field, adding some real class here with Andre De Grasse. He's Canada's king of medals. He has 7 Olympic medals and 5 World Championship medals. There's just no one that compares to him. He shows up when it counts.
Yeah, I said to you guys, if this has been Olympic year, I'd like, okay, I'm going to bet on him right now. I don't know what to do in 2025. Benjamin Richardson, 100 and 200 Olympian for South Africa, rounds out the field there in lane 8. So 8 guys, 8 really good guys. Watch for Kenny, obvious there in lane 5, as he is the slam champ from Jamaica. Steve Cram upstairs.
Some of the other guys. He's in lane 8. So Oblique Seville in 4. He's one of our racers. Bednarek also, and Zharnel Hughes. The challengers in 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8.
I do expect Oblique Seville to have a much stronger showing today. The thing about Kenny in Kingston, had a stumble that kind of ruined his momentum. So we'll see if he's able to go through his phases smoother today.
Men's 100 meters, race 1 in the short sprints. Pretty even start, all right in the middle. Seville has got out strong, so is Akeem Blake alongside him. Bednarek is trying to run the 2 of them down. It's going to be very close here. It's going to be Kenny again! 978! Whoa!
I knew we'd see 9.7 today.
Oh, I just was waiting for the win reading. It's plus 2.4. Oh!
That's okay.
He doesn't care.
That's okay.
Look at him go. He doesn't care.
That's okay.
Go on, Kenny. He's going to run it again just to show how good he was.
He needs to chill. He's still got to run the 2 tomorrow. But the thing about running 9.7 or running really fast with the wind, your body felt it. Your nervous system felt it. So that's in his legs now.
Aww.
Considering what the women ran, I knew we would see 9.7 today.
Oh, it's such a shame with that, isn't it? You know, the first thing I was looking for was we were waiting for it to come up, and it comes up 2.4. Yeah, so anyway, just to remind you, anything over 2 meters per second cannot be counted for record purposes.
For record purposes.
But he knows, I mean, first of all, he won.
He did.
And the guys ran well. Seville got out well. Blake got out really well, really well. But he's so strong. Once he's up, that momentum he has in the last 20, 30, can't hold him back.
No. For mental purposes, 9.7 anything is really, really good. So you can tell by his response, he's happy about that. He's not really concerned about the win and all that. He knows that this is good for what he's going to be able to do moving forward. So coming out the blocks, he did kind of stumble still in his first couple of steps. But moving through the drive phase was a lot smoother than Kingston. Wasn't in front, but was near the front of the pack. And coming out of his transition, his top speed is definitely in a place where it needs to be. He was happy before he even saw the clock. So with Kenny, and I mentioned this when I saw him run earlier in Kingston, I would like to see his elbows open up a little bit more on his ground strike, just to get a little bit more extension. But as far as being streamlined, Kenny's in a really good place technique-wise.
I love we're getting, I mentioned the stats that we're getting. We're getting this every 10 meters. He was level with Blake. He'd caught Blake by 50 meters, and then he took 100th. Every 10 meters, then he took another 100th out of him.
The latest 100-meter showdown delivered pure adrenaline, assembling a star-studded sprint lineup with Kenny Bednarek taking center stage. Already celebrated for his 200m prowess, the American has clearly honed his explosiveness over the shorter distance, and the outcome spoke volumes. Among the challengers were Jamaica's sensational young talents, Akeem Blake and Oblique Seville, both of whom have already shattered the 10-second barrier this season. The stadium practically vibrated as the Jamaican sprinters were announced, the fans' cheers transforming the venue into a slice of home for the island athletes. Also in contention were Canada's Olympic standout Andre De Grasse, Great Britain's bronze medalist Zharnel Hughes, and South Africa's Benjamin Richardson, an Olympian steadily climbing the ranks. Each competitor possessed the capability to produce world-class bursts of speed, making for a fiercely competitive field. As the starter's gun fired, the initial strides were closely contested. Seville and Blake shot out of the blocks with impressive acceleration, yet Bednarek quickly caught up. By the midpoint of the race, he had aligned perfectly with Blake's momentum and then began a controlled surge ahead. The final meters saw Bednarek crossing the line in a scorching 9.78 seconds. Despite a tailwind of plus 2.5 meters per second nullifying the run for record purposes, the performance was undeniably remarkable. Bednarek's triumph showcased his current peak condition, highlighting his ability to dominate despite a minor misstep in the opening stride. Commentators emphasized the smoothness of his phases and the refined top-end velocity, contrasting sharply with his last Kingston outing, where a stumble had disrupted his rhythm. While slight adjustments, like wider elbow extension for enhanced stride length, remained possible, his technique was clearly at elite levels. Split timing data revealed a close contest with Blake through the first 50 meters, but Bednarek gradually extended his lead, finishing roughly half a second ahead. This kind of acceleration and controlled top speed positions him among the world's leading 100m athletes this year. Earlier in the season, Bednarek dominated both the 100m and 200m at Jamaica's Grand Slam meet, overcoming stiff competition from Seville, Blake, and even Fred Kerley. His 9.79-second mark at that event ranked among the fastest performances of 2025. Perhaps the most striking element of his latest run was the visible ease in the closing meters, hinting that he could have pushed even harder. His form suggests an athlete peaking at the perfect moment, with national trials and world championships looming. With a $100,000 prize pool, approximately 15 million Jamaican dollars, athletes were highly motivated to perform at the top of their game, and Bednarek delivered exactly that. Looking ahead, the sprint world eagerly anticipates a clash between Bednarek and Noah Lyles. While Lyles has maintained a lower profile this season, Bednarek's consistency, power, and refined technique make him a formidable contender for global titles in 2025. In conclusion, this race wasn't just an electrifying sprint spectacle. It confirmed Kenny Bednarek as a serious threat in both the 100m and 200m this season. His flawless progression, commanding victories, and elite performances, even with an illegal wind, cement his status as one of the most dangerous sprinters on the planet right now.